Why use external CSS for InDesign EPUB flexibility? Imagine creating an ebook that looks perfect on every device, from tiny smartphones to large tablets. That's where using external CSS with InDesign EPUB export really shines. When you export an EPUB from InDesign, the software generates CSS code automatically based on your document styles. But this default CSS can be limited and may not give you the full control you need. Adding your own external CSS file allows you to customize how your ebook appears across different reading apps and devices. You can adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and layout details more precisely. This is especially helpful if you want your ebook to have a consistent look across multiple projects or series. Instead of editing each InDesign file separately, you just update one CSS file and all your exports follow that style. External CSS also makes it easier to handle different EPUB formats. For fixed layout EPUBs, where exact placement of images and text matters, external CSS helps you control positioning and styling. For reflowable EPUBs, which adapt to various screen sizes, external CSS ensures your text flows nicely and remains readable on any device. Sometimes default InDesign CSS can cause display issues on certain e-readers or reading apps. Using your own CSS lets you fix these problems by tweaking styles so they render correctly everywhere. This is especially useful for accessibility, ensuring your ebook is easy to read for everyone. Separating your design from your content makes updating your ebook simpler. If you want to change the font or color scheme later, just edit the CSS file instead of going back into InDesign and re-exporting. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. To add external CSS in InDesign, you go to the EPUB export dialog and find the advanced options. There, you can include your CSS file, and InDesign will embed it into the EPUB. When someone opens your ebook, the styles from your CSS will be applied automatically. This process is straightforward and gives you more control over the final look. Using external CSS means your ebooks will look better and work well across all kinds of devices. It also makes managing and updating your designs easier, giving you more freedom to create professional and consistent digital publications.